Okay, so now I'm going to talk a bit about some of my inspiration. This is in a state park about 10 minutes drive from my house. I really want you to start thinking about, what about these images that why did you choose, the image? What do you like about it? What connects to something in you? Because I'm working the line around the form over and over until it creates a surface covering and a drawing of itself. So we make it kind of flat to draw on, and then we'll just curve it.